Hello and welcome back. Hope you are all doing well. Today we are taking a look at Birchbox Man for June 2018. With that all being said, let's get into it. So for my lifestyle item, I chose the sunglasses, matte black, Wayfair design with tortoiseshell arms. Very cool. And here we go. Here is the card with everything inside this month's box. Have a thing of Bacare body wash. A thing of Billy Jealousy body scrub. A air repair moisturizer. A original penguin sample of their cologne. And finally, a Pilot men's grooming face cleanser made in the USA. Now, Birchbox is a monthly subscription service. They offer a women's box with women's care goods and a man's box with men's care goods. If you are interested in trying new and different brands to sample, I definitely recommend you check out Birchbox Man. With that all being said, please like, subscribe, share this video, hit that bell icon. It lets you know when I post new videos. And I'll catch you in the next one. Ciao.